5 fascinating facts about twisters. 1. Twisters can produce winds exceeding 300 miles per hour, making them among nature's most powerful forces. 2. The shape of a twister is influenced by wind speed, temperature, and humidity in the atmosphere. 3. Most twisters form in the United States, particularly in a region known as Tornado Alley. 4. Twisters can occur in various shapes, including funnels, ropes, and even multi-vortex formations. 5. Despite their power, twisters can also be beautiful, often creating stunning visual spectacles in the sky. Stay tuned for more amazing weather facts.